seal. We can put this away because it's time to get to work. Stay tuned for building stuff. Alright guys, so here's what's going on. I ran out of screws. I barely have any left, so that means we're moving on. So, I need to figure out some measurements before I just start cutting. 30 degrees. 30 degrees. 6 inches. Alright guys, that wraps up the night. Diamond shelf, check. Tomorrow we got to go to the store, get some more screws, and a couple pieces of plywood. And then we'll be cooking. Have a good night, good morning, whatever it is.